In this video, I'm going to share my wash and go featuring curly hair products I purchased for $5 each. I know it's not easy if you have a really small budget or you're a college student just barely getting by, but I wanted to show you that it's still possible to have beautiful curls on a budget. So if you'd like to see my budget-friendly wash and go, just keep watching. First, I'm going to start by rinsing my hair well, then I'm going to co-wash using the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Conditioner. This has amazing slip and a delicious coconut scent, and it's only $2.99. I like to add it from the mid-shaft down to my ends where my hair feels the driest. Then I apply a little more higher up on the hair shaft. Then I use a wide tooth comb or wet brush to detangle. Once my hair is detangled, I rinse well and move on to my quick deep conditioning with Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist. This is a super budget-friendly option at $2.99 and also Busy Mom approved as it only takes 3 minutes of your time. I mainly focus the deep conditioner on my ends, then clip my hair out of the way to shave or wash my face. After those 3 minutes are up, I rinse really well and my hair will feel really soft and manageable, and I'm ready to take on my stylers. Now I'm going to add the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioning Cream to my hair, starting from the bottom and working my way up. I'm going to use a generous amount of this as my base because I'm only using gel as my other styler. Then I'm going to distribute well using my fingers and a comb. Moving on to my next product, I am using the EcoStyler Olive Oil Gel, which is also about $2.99. I'm not a really big fan of the scent. It smells a bit musky to me, but I do love the results I get from it. This is a thick jelly consistency with a strong hold that doesn't flake or dry out my hair. It really holds on to styles really well, which is why my hair looks so straight when I apply this. That's why it's so important to do some major scrunching at the end so that it doesn't dry in that stretch state. So now I'm going to use my comb to distribute all the product and lots and lots and lots of scrunching. Now that my hair is set in the way I want it, I'm going to let it air dry. My hair is finally air dried, and I'm doing some more scrunching to break up the gel cast. Then I like to shake out the roots to add lift, and of course for extra volume, I always use my Afro pick. I really love how tight my curls are from using this combination. I've mentioned in other videos that my curl pattern has changed and it's a bit looser after having my son, so it's really refreshing to see them spring back. Next, I'm going to use the Creme of Nature Perfect Edges in black to help hide my thinning edges. This was about $4.59, and I love that it has a temporary washout color that makes my edges look thicker. I like to add it from the back and work my way closer to the hairline, then use a toothbrush to smooth them down.
Well, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'd love to hear from all of you about your favorite affordable curly hair products down below in the comments. If you're new to my fine curly crew, I'd love to have you subscribe so that you never miss another one of my videos. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you are properly notified of when I post new content. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.